Hi all, this is S.Priyadharshini working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see about a case study in big data analytics, mainly compromises in the banking sector. So before that, let's see what is big data. As we all know, big data is a collection of data sets that is very large and complex in nature. It also mainly constitutes of two data, structured and semi-structured data, that is the data being grown very fast that they cannot even be manageable by the traditional database system or even the conventional tools. So the sources, as we all know, there are different sources for big data, like starting from social networking, sensors, data created by the transportation services or the mobile apps, or even the data created by different firms. So let's see what are the characteristics of big data. When we take the characteristics of big data, there are three V's: volume, velocity and variety. As we all know, volume, it is huge in size. Velocity, the data has grown very fast, that gives challenges in storing and processing those data. And variety of data comprises of structured, unstructured and semi-structured data. So what is structured data? So it is in the form of tables, rows and columns. Then we'll see about the unstructured data. Unstructured data is mainly comprised of text, images, videos, audios. All those data are called unstructured data. Then we'll see about what are the then we have seen what are the tools of analytics. So R is mainly easy and it is a statistical tool which is popular among Yahoo and Google, etc. So what is big data analytics? So when we analyze big data, that analytics is called big data analytics. Basically, it is a process of collecting, organizing and analyzing data to discover some pattern which is useful, which gives useful information that allows us to take proper business action or the business insights. So let's see the then we have seen the tools and technologies. So Hadoop is the main tool that we'll be using in big data analytics. The benefits of Hadoop being it is fast in computing power, the flexibility is very good, it is low cost and even it is scalable. So then we'll see what is big data analytics in banks. So big data analytics, there are several steps. The first step being data creation, then the collection of data, then the bank its own HDFS for storing. HDFS, we all know, it is a file system for storing the big data. After storing the big data, it has to be fetched and then it has to be using some mathematical and statistical algorithms. A model formulation should be done. Then after the model formation, we have to know the insights of the model, and then the action, the necessary business insight is to be taken in the banking sector. So what are the benefits of this banking sector in big data? So first one is fraud detection. Fraud detection, it helps to bank to detect, prevent and eliminate internal and external fraud, as well as to reduce the associated cost. Risk management, so banks analyze transaction data to determine risk and exposure based on simulated market behavior, scoring customer and potential clients. Contact centers efficiency optimization, it helps banks to resolve problems of customers quickly by allowing banks to anticipate customer needs ahead of time. The next one being customer segmentation for optimized offers. It provides a way to understand customers' needs at a granular level so that the banks can deliver targeted offers more effectively. The fifth one being the customer churn analysis. It is nothing but it helps the banks to retain their own customers by analyzing their behavior and identifying patterns that leads to a customer abandonment. The next one is sentiment analysis. This tool helps the bank to analyze social media to monitor user sentiment towards a firm, brand or product. The last benefit of the big data in banking sector is the customer experience analytics. So it can provide better insight and understanding, allowing banks to match offers to a customer needs. So the conclusion of this is banks are creating large amount of data day by day. Their creation speed is much faster than our processor speed. So to handle this large amount or the bulk amount of data is difficult for our system. But storing and processing big data is faster when it is stored in the distributed manner or in the parallelism. So Hadoop framework provides such kind of network where big data is distributed among different systems by adding more nodes that can be stored in different locations. If any node fails, then there is no loss of data. By the use of big data, banks can run more profitably. Thank you.